tough procedure.
It's a tough call.
It's a tough program, Ender.
Well, it's a tough decision.
No, it's really not.
No, it's tough.
I'll improvise.
It's tough when you live and rest.
It's tough to forget being so impressive.
Well, what can I say? I mean, it's tough out there in time and space.
It's been a really tough week.
It's tough to remember all the things you chewed up, isn't it?
How long have you been in the game?
Oh, it's tough to say.
You know, it's tough growing up in zombie land.
It's tough growing up.
It's gonna be tough this year.
It's gonna be tough every year.
You gotta hang with me. I know it's getting tough. We gotta stop them right here.
We have a difficult relationship.
Mothers and daughters, it's tough.
What do you do?
Whatever I have to.
Well, it's tough making a living, that's for sure.
I know it's tough, but heroes have to make the tough choices, don't they?
It's tough to explain. I mean, I got all these new memories, but it's like I don't know what to believe.
Well, it's cold out there, so I'm gonna take this off. Well, if it's tough for you, it should be tough for me, too.
It's gonna be tough to leave my hometown and all my friendships. But this is something I feel like I need to do.
You're going to leave the presidency to go be in movies?
I know, it's gonna be tough.
It's gonna be tough to find a guy as good as you.
Well, I'm sure you will.
I know it's a tough decision for you to leave Greenhouse. Walking away from something you care about has to be painful.